What you looking at? Huh? You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You do not have the guts to be who you wanna be. You need people like me. So you can point your fucking finger and say that's the bad guy. But what does that make you? Good? You're not good. You just know how to hide, how to lie. Me, I do not have that problem. I always tell the truth, even when I lie. Let me tell you this. This is the last time you're gonna see a bad guy like this, huh? Let me tell you that. So you better get the fuck out of my way. Yeah? I'm leaving. Move. Out of my way. Move. Out of my way.